Alright, so today we will be working on the polyurethane upper control arm bushings on my Miata, which is behind me. If I can get this tripod to cooperate. That's the Miata, and there is the bushings, and I'll be showing you guys how to replace them. So first thing you're going to want to do is, I'll just get you guys off the tripod here. So first thing you guys are going to want to do is, remove the under tray. That gives you access to this bolt, to the bolt that spans there, as well as you're going to want to make sure that you have all the tools. Well, and you're going to want to take off your wheels, of course, but yeah, you want to make sure you have the tools with a hammer, a 19mm wrench, a 12mm socket, a 22mm socket, a breaker bar, a 21mm socket, a adjustable wrench, 300mm heavy duty, a 1/2" drive ratchet, 1/2" drive swivel, a 17mm socket, and an 18mm socket, which probably won't come into use, but you know, you never know, right? Alright, so let's get started. How do I pause this? I forgot how to pause it. Alright, so you're first gonna wanna undo the upper control arm ball joint. Get that little cotter pin out of there. It's right here, in there. It's like, oh, the steering wheel's locked, otherwise I'd show you. But yeah, I could just take the camera off the tripod. That's too much work. Chilling underneath here. Hold on. Alrighty, I'm back. I got possibly the longest pliers I could possibly ever need. So I'm just gonna get the cotter pin out. I'll just come back when it's over. I'll just come back when it's out. All right, we got the pin out. Now I'm just undoing the ball joint bolt. I'll come back when it's out. Now, another thing I'd like to say is thank you all for watching my videos, and thank you for the 93 subscribers. It means a lot because now I have 10,000 views, and that's been a goal of mine for since 2017. So yeah, we got the upper control arm ball joint off. It'll be fun. But now we're gonna move on and undo. Let's get you guys over here into the action. So now we're gonna want to undo. We're gonna want to do that. We're gonna want to undo this bolt right here, and that is the suspension. The shock bolt. So you're gonna want to have the 17mm there and the 17mm here. Alright, and we're loose. Alrighty, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen of all ages, we got the shock bolt off. Oh, hold up. Now it's time. Now it's come time to undo the upper suspension bolt, and this is where I said we'd get to with the 12mm socket. So, you know, I could just. Oh, hold on. All right, so here, dude, I just got the handle off my tripod, but here's the two 12mm bolts, and yeah, you're gonna want to loosen those up, and then you're going to take out the suspension bolt, which is right there and there, and I'll just come back when it's done because the camera battery's starting to get low. So yeah. All right, so I just got that. I got it loose. Now I'm gonna get it out, and hopefully this is informative to you guys. If not, here it is. Here I am removing a bolt. Crap. Technical difficulties. Hold on. All right, here we go. Alright, so I got it off. Now I'll, actually, no, I haven't gotten it off yet. I got it off. Now I'll, come back to you guys after I have, the bushings being pressed out. Alright, so how we're gonna do this is, I have a pulley puller. So, what I found was like a, I don't know, 12mm nut. I think it's M10 with a 12mm head. And I stuck it. I already did this once. I just wanted to make sure I could actually do it. So you stick that into here, into the little receiving point, and then you take your pulley puller like this, right? Sure, I can actually do this. See, this isn't like a cooking show or anything. This is like actually genuine. Wish it was a cooking show though. That'd be fun. But yeah. Well, here it is. I thought that nut disappeared. My left nut disappeared. No, that's not a true story. But, you're gonna want to take it. You're just gonna want to make sure it's a nice fit. Now, it may not always work the first time, but that's alright, because living with Bob Ross here. Painting with Bob Ross. We're not actually painting with Bob Ross. But yeah. So here you go. You want to take your compressor and stick it on there. You can see this way. And you're just gonna wanna loosen it. So I'll just come back when it's like getting out, I guess. So alright, I'm trying to capture this on video for you. But it's almost out, I believe. Or I would hope. Hold on. Oh. Haters will say it's fake. Here's the, these are all the old bushings so far. Oh, hold up. Oh. These are our old bushings so far, and we only have one more left. But it's literally what I just showed you, so I won't videotape it. Alright, so this is the moment we've all been waiting for. So we take our synthetic grease, we don't want to use anything petroleum based on polyurethane bushings, and then we take a nice dollop of it, and we evenly distribute it across the bushing. Just like this. Oh man, that's kind of satisfying. And this grease, keep in mind, this is like synthetic stuff, so it's like real sticky. And then, what you're gonna want to do next is just slide her into place. No fanciness, no nothing. Just. That was a Camry. On the other ones, this is so much easier. God damn. Oh no. Oh. Alright, we got it on. This one, hold up. You know what I didn't do? I didn't grease the innards of this. This is what will do it. Alright, and then you wanna grease her up a little bit. Don't be shy with the grease, cause you know anything's possible if you have enough grease. See, look at that. Did you see how easy that one was? That one just went straight on. I don't know why this one was so difficult. It was being it was not cooperating with us, but the Camry came back. Hold on. But yeah, so after we do that, we're gonna wanna put some grease on the inside part right here, and then we're gonna wanna grease up the little pin, and then just slide it in. And you're just gonna slide it in just like that. Oh, hold up. Just wanna slide it in nice and Gucci. Make sure it's level with this, cause the metal part is what keeps it spaced evenly on the car itself. And then I'll just do it on the other side. You know what? It's recording, so why not? You're gonna want to make sure that the metal part's aligned on the outside. If not, it'll be fine because it'll self-align on the car.
Alrighty, so this is the point where the camera battery died, and I just put it back together how it came apart. You're gonna want to make sure to use anti-seize. And yeah, thanks for watching the video. It feels nice, just take my word for it, it literally feels brand new, just those bushings alone. I'm going to be ordering a short shifter soon, as well as extended lower ball joints and stuff, but I have a spare ball joint, so I'll just throw that in because one of them is starting to get loose. And yeah, once again, thanks for watching, and I hope you join me in the next one.